Hello everybody, welcome. How's it going? How's it going? All right, let's start the show. Just less than 2 minutes before the market open. So just in time. By the way, my PA payout has been approved by Apex. So thank you so much. Apex Trader Funding. Thank you for the payout. That has been approved. Let's see. The market was quite a little bit interesting. Hey Anya, what's up? Good luck for you too. I wish you all the good luck. We have the market open now, so let's see how it goes. Oh, sorry. I just opened up a website here. So it was quite interesting because we didn't quite go up there to that Liberation Day candle at 44. So we might just want to go lower, maybe even lower than the Asia low, which has been picked during the London session. So we did put in a London low right there. Let's just leave it at that. London low, baby. Let's see how it goes. Do we have any news left for the afternoon? All right, sorry. Let's leave this. So far hovering at the midnight area, didn't go up there. I'm seeing a bullish order block starting down at 9:32 on the 5-minute. Might want to go there. Look at this. Opening up this candle is at 32.25. Right down there. It might want to go down. Not sure. Okay, there you go. Into the order block. I wanted to jump in for a few points scalp. Well, I missed it. Tudor, hello. Can you call market? Oh, I definitely can. I can. I'm gonna text them a message. How about that? I'm gonna text them. All right, we mitigated the order block finally, just as we talked about it. Question is it gonna break it? I have a strange feeling that it might want to break that 44 level up there. For now, all we can do is just wait patiently. I'm gonna delete this. That's a London low at 901. Maybe it wants to go down there. Maybe, but that's a big if. That's a big if. That is a big if. Maybe I want to put on a chart here for day traders as well. I wish I would know where we're going. So far back to the middle. Stuck in the middle with you. Da, 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 da. 901 is the level that we're eyeballing right now. 901. I think we're trying to break that 901. Infinite Universe, good morning. Hello, hello. What's up? So hard to decide the direction here. Hard to tell. Might want to attack that 901. Do we have some news? I think it wants to break that 900 there. Not sure. Still watching that level. Should we jump into a scalp? Not sure. Let's see gold. To 3208.7. That would be also a level on gold on the downside. That would be a 4-hour low. I'm gonna be looking into that too. So far nothing has happened. No first fair value gap. Pretty much just going sideways. Some news at that. Yeah, there is something. Let me see. Yeah, ISM manufacturing PMI. Oh man, everybody's gonna wait for the PMI numbers, right? I'm afraid that's gonna be the case. Everybody's gonna wait for those PMI numbers. Yeah, casino style. No, I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna wait patiently. We're just gonna wait. Very, very patiently. Actually, 31. Did it go lower? It did go lower. Nice. I'm also not sold on the idea to go short on gold just yet. Looks like it's going for it. 901. It wants to take it. It wants to take it, maybe. Who knows? Maybe not. I mean, it has to break through. That's it. Now we broke through that sell side liquidity, which was London low. And after this, nobody knows what's the drill. Ba, 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 ba. Gold seemingly wants to go higher. Going lower. NQ reaching lower. I don't have a position, not even a scalp, nothing. Nothing. Mohammed, hello, good morning. We pretty much mitigated this low here. What if it wants to go back up there? Let's look at the 5-minute for targets. We have an order block up there, which we do like, to in 20,009. Opening of this is at 9.50 up there. Okay, so that will be a 5-minute bearish order block. Five-minute bearish order block, nice. We're approaching the, yeah, well, if we shift to those highs again, we might gonna be trying to test that order block. On the downside, let's look at the 4-hour chart. We poked into liquidity, which is awesome. Next sell side would be, is there any way to know when the Asia session become trendy and explosion like that? Well, I don't think so. It's hard to say. Well, usually when the PM session is like consolidating a lot, like for example, forget about this time frame, like this is the 4-hour. If this is the New York PM session, then we can assume that the Asia session would be something like this. So if we have a consolidation, we will see manipulation or distribution or both in the Asia session. So that's the only way to see it. If the New York PM session is just consolidation, we have a higher chance that Asia is going to go. That's what I would say. So here we have a sell side liquidity at 812. Okay, we're seeing a shift right now on the 1 minute. Gold made a new high in intraday. This here is technically shifting structure right now. There. OTE entry could be down here if anyone wants to take it for a nice long position. The problem is that we're ahead of the news, so I'm not sure how that could go. But anyway, this has been shifted. Zoltan, hello, it was like welcome. Welcome. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Not much to do. Everybody's gonna wait for the news. Everybody. So until we're waiting for the news, I'm not gonna enter into any position. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to fix a drink. Okay, we're back. All right, let's see the numbers. Let's see the numbers. I think it wants to make a new low, and we outlined the 812 down there. 812. $812. Less than 1 minute to go. Almost 30 seconds to go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Few seconds. Here we have the news. Okay, that's a roller coaster. The roller coaster ride. Yeah, charts froze a little bit. What was the numbers? Let's update on this one. Construction spending, no. Manufacturing prices a little bit lower. Somewhat as expected. Not that bad news. I mean, I wouldn't say that it's bad. Should be positive, actually. Short from 990 and break even because of the news. Oh no. Well, you still have a chance to go down to 812. If it starts to go lower, then it should go lower, down at least to that 812. Alright, gold is up there. NQ still at the same position. I opened a very small position on gold to go short. Very, very, very small position on gold to go short. Which was the master account? This one. Okay, I'm short on gold. Let's see. NQ is still there. NQ unplugged officially. Officially unplugged. Excuse me. It almost seemed like that gold might want to take out that low over there. But it's not taking it. Interesting. NQ might slowly be pushing higher with the structure shift again. Might want to break above the 20k here. Structure shift in the making. Huh. It actually it left a small gap here, a very small one. I'm just gonna mark this up for future reference. And the first fair value gap is actually up there. Okay, never mind. It's not valid anymore. Oh, wait a second. That was not the first fair value gap. It was this one. This is the first fair value gap, right? Yeah. Okay. This is the first fair value gap right there. You're out. Oh. Oh, the crude oil is going nice, Anya. Let's go. Yeah, the first no, it's the first gap after 9:30 on the 1 minute. So this is the 1 minute chart. The first gap has been presented at 9:38. So this is going to be the first fair value gap here. That's the one. The first presentation gap. So that is how we roll. That is how we roll. Why do I have the strange feeling that it might want to go higher? I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, gold is going higher now. Doesn't matter. NQ edging a little bit lower. Dun, 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 dun. Have to wait. Waiting for the first fair value gap after news. So you're okay. So that's what you're waiting for. After news 1. Okay. Well, I'm not really using it, but could be good. Yeah, this is definitely gonna go like crazy once it starts to go. Question is, how long is it gonna take us to be in this consolidation? It might gonna take some time. NQ seemingly wants to go lower a little bit, but could be a trap. By the way, I'm exited from my gold short. So small position, that was a very tiny one. Still no clean direction. Man, this is annoying. This is annoying. It's not moving. Let's look at the 5 minutes still. I mean, as I said, the only thing on the sell side is that 812. I would prefer up there that order block and that 44.25. So it's just a waiting game, nothing more. Nothing super special about it. First presentation gap here again. Looks like it wants to push price back down there. I don't want to jump into a short here. Just hovering at the middle of that first presentation gap. EURUSD taking those lows, and yeah, oh, I see. It's good to see people trading Forex. Maybe I should do sometime. Okay, gold might want to take another dip lower. Quick look on gold. What's it gonna do? Feels like it wants to go lower. And NQ feels like it wants to go higher. Up to the 70s, I guess. I might gonna check on that. Up to the 70s. Let's go. Maybe not. Gold is going down slowly. I mean, there was a nice order block up there. Why didn't it go? It should have gone there. Just hovering still and no direction. The 5 minute ugly, 15 minute also ugly. We do have some nice targets up there, but who knows. Up 800. Let's go, Jeff. On silver, man, I have to look into silver. Yeah, Ron, that is nothing specific. Escape to Matrix. Hello, good morning. You have 4 funded accounts with TopStep. Hey, you remember we talked about this. You can make it back. Man, congratulations. That's a good job. You see, you can make it back. You can. You can. Yes, you can. Okay, so the order block doesn't really want to go. And as of gold, gold is still hovering a little bit sideways here. Strange area for sure. Very, very strange area. Absolutely escaped the matrix. I think you did a great job. And that is actually, whatever happens from here with your funded accounts, that is actually proof for you that you can always look back to, that you can do it. And that's it. That's all it takes. Well, seems like gold wants to make a new low. Not much we can do about it, I guess. You're waiting for around the 13 fair value gap, 20,013. Okay. But there's an order block. Watch it on the 5 minute as well. Yeah. To maybe short. Be careful with the short. Watch the level 20,044.25 on the mini. Go to April 2nd, Ron, and you will see that that's the tariffs day when Trump announced the tariffs. I'm guaranteeing you, really, that there's lots of orders, lots of money is resting above 20,044. A lot, like a lot. Maybe it's not going to do it today, but going short in this fair value gap, you know, it's somewhere here. So going short here, careful. Be careful with that, is what I'm saying. Definitely. This is the one, yeah. So order blocks meant to be broken. Yeah. If you see a clean shift, a very clean shift to the downside, then yes. Otherwise, don't do anything. Just wait for it to be popped. Lots of money up there. Lot. Oh, this is my gold short. Only on an eval. Don't worry about it. It's still on. I don't know how. Oh, sorry. That's a long position, not a short. It reversed it. It's only an eval. I don't really care about it too much. By the way, I got approved for the payout. So I requested the payout. Let me show you guys in a second. Apex. Request payout. I got approved. I requested it. Oh, come on. So I requested it this morning. Only $705, so not a big deal. And I already got approved. So that's a good thing. Super. That was almost the fastest approval. There was one occasion when I requested it on a Monday, actually Sunday. No, it was Monday. Yeah, it was Monday, and I was approved in 30 minutes. That was the fastest I've ever seen from Apex in 30 minutes. Thank you, Skip. It's a small money, I know. For me, it's good money. It's small money, but hey, everything counts. Yeah, we're going up there. I feel like. Big W down there? Oh yeah, well, technically it is. A huge W formation. I should be breaking the 20k now. It should. And there you go. So the 5-minute order block is just above at 09. Hey Marshall, good to see you. What up, everyone? Did I miss? Oh, a lot. No. It's good to see you. First of all, in the past couple of weeks, well, the Trump market was crazy. It was up and down, up and down. But I would say you're tuning in at the right time. So, I mean, everybody got slaughtered quite a few times because, you know, we had some crazy volatility. That's the major thing that happened. Let me put some more light here. Oh, it's too much. It's almost too dark again. Anyway, we're going for that 209. I mean that 09.50. 09.50. Here we go. Five-minute order block. Here we go. I'm not sure where it starts at the mini. Starts at 875. Maybe I should do that. 875. Start with that. 875. I'm gonna go with 850. Got into some trouble when I changed my username from Bravo 6. Bravo 6. What was the trouble? I don't know. I'm not getting it. What was the issue with that? Gold is still looks like bullish. We'll see. We still have time. I don't know. Couldn't access your YouTube for some reason. Wow. Interesting. Could be. Yeah, we could go down for that fair value gap down there. Exactly. Down to the 60s. What's it gonna be, NQ? We still have an order block. I'm still waiting. Yeah, sure. Do you think NQ will manipulate higher for sells? Currently, at this second, this moment, I think NQ should be going a little bit more higher. Once because of the order block, and we have that buy side at 44. So that's what I think. We still have time, plenty of time in the silver bullet tower and until lunch hour. So yeah, that's what I think. That is what I think. But we'll see. Hey, petrol in a gold buy. I'm not sure. In the gold buys, let me see. I mean, I'm in buy, but only on an evaluation account. Look at that. It almost went down to my stop, but for now, maybe gold wants to sweep some highs. This entry was only based on my indicators, nothing more. Look at that. Now we're going for that. That's why I said be careful now in this 5-minute gap. We could be picking that buy side at 44. So just be careful. This one could be a tricky one. Doesn't need too much. It needs like 20 points. Well, we're consolidating now. Okay, gold is going. At least my my trade, which technically survived somehow on the stop loss, is back to profit, but I don't have high hopes yet. Look at that. Only like 12 points away, 10 points almost away from from that high. It does look like it wants to go. Very, very close. Look at that. 10 points. Are you guys ready? There you go. Almost. It's going to break it through. There you go. There you go. If it breaks through, it should be breaking up to the 50s now. Come on, what's the high? 45. It didn't break the micro. It broke the mini. It broke the mini with 3 ticks. It might gonna pull back, and then it should be breaking to the 60s. Oh, yeah, Zoltan, it's still on. Yeah, Bulenox, out of the blue, but we didn't know about it. I didn't know about it yesterday. This morning I woke up and I checked the affiliate panel, and they extended the expiration of the code for 2 days. So it has been extended until tomorrow, as aka Friday midnight Eastern Standard Time. So Friday midnight Eastern Standard, which for us in Europe, for me it's gonna be 6 a.m. For you in Romania, Transylvania, sorry. That's gonna be for you Saturday morning 7 a.m. for you. Saturday morning 7 a.m. in your time. So yeah, 91% is still on until Friday midnight Eastern Standard Time. Get it while you can. I think it's a good price. I mean, no effect. Bulenox pays so far. I have no issue with Bulenox. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. Zero issue. So why not grab it? Obviously, the activation fee is like, yeah, it's $148. I know. But at least it's easier to get funded. Let's just be honest. It's definitely easier to get funded at Bulenox. And you can focus on the real trades. Because on evaluations, I go crazy. I go stupid. I do all kinds of stupid things, which I shouldn't. You missed a nice entry due to the pops and don't know what to play. FOMO. Hey, you shouldn't FOMO, Jeff. It's very. I starting to understand this now, and it took me quite a lot of time, like months, to understand. But you must believe in the fact, because this is a fact, Jeff, that the next good setup is around the corner. So, but don't chase the trade, which is already gone. Just wait, because even a better setup is gonna come around. I know that by now. It's a fact. It's repeating all the time. It doesn't matter which strategy you use. Just, you know, keep that in mind. Write it on a sticky note. I do that sometimes. Write it on a sticky note, and I put it on at my screen or on my desk. Especially the FOFO rule, you know, don't F around to find out too much. so it's fine. You have to. FOMO is the source of doing stupid things. I realized that. I look back at my journal. FOMO is one of the main source that we're doing stupid things. So that's why I always say, by the way, if I'm in a trade, I would rather take 2 stop losses, full stops, 2 full stop losses than 1 FOMO. That's how I treat this feeling. I would rather take 2 full stop losses than 1 FOMO trade. Or 1 FOMO feeling, because the feeling, I mean that's what I want to avoid. So I would make peace with two stops. It's all right. Never FOMO. Exactly, Venom. Buy 1 micro for that pop. Yeah, I think, and that's why I said the high here is 45. The micro high was 45.25. It should be popping. It should be popping that 45 soon. It should be popping into the 50s, by the way. Just saying. For scalpers, I'm not jumping in, but it should be popping it. Yep, exactly, Jeff. 1 micro is money. That's it. Want to see today's? Well, yeah, I guess you have some profit or something. Venom. Let us show. Of course. Yeah. Discord. Yeah, sure. If you want to send me anything, I'm gladly looking. Okay, I have it. How do I look at it on the browser? I have it. How do I open it in the browser? Copy link. Nice. Where do I open it? Oh, here it is. Jesus, Venom, what did you do there? I don't know. I'm not sure if you... Oh, you guys are seeing his entry. My screen is cropped, but you can see the thing here. This guy, and even higher, you guys don't see it, but there is another position that being sold higher for 4 micros. 6 micros entered here. This guy sold it up there. Good job. Was your entry based on SMT? I guess it was, right? Nice trade. It's the art of reading the algo. Was it based on SMT? Because I know you guys were into SMTs, or I don't know. I guess it was one of the main reasons, right? TP96. Let's go. I told you we're gonna pop the 50. I told you. Did I call the market right? I am the ghost in the machine now. Okay. So. Oh man. No SMT. Okay. I thought it was only because SMT. No, you're. I think I know what's happening with you, Venom. I think you're turning into, like, you're getting through that phase when you're turning into Neo. You're just at that point when Agent Smith is shooting down Neo in the first movie, you know, at the hallway, and you're getting up from the floor, you know, and you're starting to see the code everywhere. Like, oh my God, you know, you're seeing the code. I think that is something what's happening with you. Ron is out. All right. I'm glad you're out, because I have no freaking idea what it does above 50 from here. But 50 is a nice round number. It should have popped it. RTH get 50% or okay, entering specific macro. And then I think after we invert the real first presentation, nice. That's a good strategy. That's a good entry. I like that. That is a good entry. I'm still swimming in this gold trade, but it's only on eval. It's only an evaluation account. I don't really care about that too much. It seems like maybe I do have to, yeah, maybe I do have to go short on gold. Maybe I have to change my narrative here on gold again. By the way, if you look down, there is one more level at 3208.7, which could be a target on gold. Man, interesting. Da, 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 da. 813 high because it's the target of the 90-minute algo. I see. Okay. Martin up today, took long from first fair value gap till highs. Martin. Guys, I'm saying this to you, Martin, as well, and Venom, and any one of you guys who are doing great trades here. I would be really interested to do some kind of a interactive stream here where you guys can join on a Zoom meeting if you guys are interested. And I want to pick your brains how you are doing it, what are you looking for, and maybe it would be good for everybody. And maybe we should do it in a London session, or I don't know. We need more viewers for that, I think. That would be awesome, man. I don't know how you do it, but congratulations. Trading, yes. Venom, I think I'm always going to be struggling with emotions. That's never going to go away. The only thing I can do is somehow counter-react to those emotions. Because I am an emotional person. Now, I'm not a crybaby or something, so don't worry about that. I'm not crying or like whining. I'm not like that. But I am an emotional person. I'm a romantic person, by the way. I am a romantic person. I am. But I'm not a crybaby. And so trading is also emotional for me. It's hard to go against it. But it is what it is. So, but so far trading has been okay. I had a great month in April. Received over $9,000 in payouts from 4 prop firms, which I'm super happy of. I just got approved for a staggering $705 on Apex. But hey, that is something. And I'm looking for another payout at Apex, and I'm looking for payout with MyFundedFutures. So hopefully, you know, we can scale up some numbers here. But emotions are always there. Yeah, the highs are looking smooth there. That's the reason. I see. Maybe just Discord call or something like. Yeah, Ron, that would be cool too. Petrolina says that would be awesome. Yeah. Would be a good idea. Thank you, Venom. In this case, you should only look for romantic trade, and maybe I should. The problem is, guys, and I'm gonna let you guys into a secret. Don't tell anyone. This is a secret. I'm gonna release a message later on the community post, or maybe there's gonna be a video as well. Tomorrow is Friday, right? So tomorrow, me and my girlfriend, we're gonna go to the sea, to Croatia. So we're taking a small trip for a long weekend, and it's like 600 kilometers from our place. So we're gonna drive there, obviously, and it's gonna be like a 6-hour drive on the highway, something like that, 5 to 6 hours. So there's gonna be no stream tomorrow. So there's gonna be no London stream in the morning. I have to prepare some stuff. I don't have time to stream in the London morning, unfortunately, as much as I like to stream. We found a nice place in an island in Croatia. If you guys want to see it, I can show you. But I will be posting a video from there. But we just made the decision just before the stream, so that's why I'm a little bit hyped up, that we're gonna take the long weekend and we're driving there tomorrow morning, because we could drive there after the London stream, but that would take a long time, and we don't want to arrive in the night or like too late. We just want to get to the hotel and, you know, get to the room and you know, enjoy a nice dinner when we get there. So there's gonna be no no stream tomorrow. Next stream is on Monday, but yeah, in this case you should look, yeah, basic stuff. Yeah, always the basic stuff is the best. Thank you, Venom. 10 a.m. was distribution candle. Oh, it was, right? That was the distribution candle. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Was definitely... this sideways movement was actually nerve-wracking here. Okay. Oh. Ron, I'm long 1 micro, TP 199, stop loss 992. Okay, let's see where you're going, Ron, because it seems like Ron is really into it. Let's see where is Ron is taking this. He says 992 up there. Okay, that's a good target. I like that. I do like it. 992. Okay. I would maybe go 192 just to be safe. On the 4 hour, what is there? Yeah, that's a good one. I would exit somewhere in the 80s, 180s, if you want to hold this as a runner. But be careful. Bit lower, yeah, 175. Yeah, that's a safer exit. So I would exit if you really want to hold it there. The final TP, I would exit somewhere maximum in the 80s. But it's up to you. No financial advice here, I'm sorry. It's not financial advice, obviously. Let's see what is going on here. I have a feeling that, by the way, gold on the 1 minute wants to take out these relative equal lows down there. Not 100% sure, but that's what it feels like it. Look at that. It's going higher. Everybody, I think I'm going to call it here. I'm going to tell you why. I have some stuff to take care of still around the house. But I can promise you this, like no stream tomorrow, but I'll be, you know, on social media in some way or another. I'm going to be uploading some raw material to my vlog videos or some stuff. There is something in the making for this week. I told you guys the free Discord is almost ready. I'm releasing the link. And there's going to be some stuff. Giveaway from Take Profit Trader, but I'm going to be releasing a Take Profit Trader video soon. Okay? So thank you, everybody. Let me just tell you something about the active promotions that we have right now. Oh, what is this? Yeah, so before I go away, let me just tell you guys one thing. If you want the best discounts available online on any prop firm, please don't forget to use my code for the best available discounts and prices. Every prop firm has the same code. Use Tom Sabo to get your best available discount. With that, you're not just putting money in my pocket, which I would really love to, but you can support the channel, the journey, and everything. So stay tuned. I'll be back for next week. And thank you so much for the support. No OnlyFans. The TV presenter voice. Alright, anyway. If you would like to support, use my code. Some sales still going on. Bulenox ending it to tomorrow midnight, so check it out. I'm not sure about Take Profit Trader, but I would grab some no-fee accounts before they put it away. Okay, thank you so much again. God bless you all. Thank you for everything. I'll be, worst case scenario, back on Monday. Everybody have a nice weekend. And what can I say? Again, I have to tell you, God bless you all. Cheers, everybody.